we're gonna do the butterfly bush. It's kind of got all the winter kill on there. If you don't cut it back, then when it starts blooming out, it's gonna have to push all this off and you're gonna have ugly poking out everywhere. So I cut mine down to the ground, just all the way down. That way everything that comes out in the spring is new growth. And you don't have any of this brown, ugly poking out. It's just all good and fresh. This is more of a dwarf variety. And we also have some of the taller ones that are about 8 feet tall. But, I mean, these are just simple little tasks that really make your yard pop when spring comes. You don't really have to be like, oh, I wish I'd have cut that back. And these are all good things to do in mid-February here at Zone B, which is what we're in. But, I mean, look, it's not even going to take a minute. Then you pick up your sprigs and you compost them or put them for the city to pick up. All right, that's what you're left with. But see down here, all this new growth, that's all just gonna come right on out and you're gonna have, it's gonna be prettier and a little bit larger than next year. That's it, it's a done deal. What did that take, 30 seconds to make a world of difference in your beds? All right, have a good day.